How do you filter the last 7 days in Tableau? I have a line chart built with sum of sales by date. I have a filter on the right hand side where I can choose only the last 7 days. I uncheck other. I have a line chart of only the last 7 days. Let's add a new sheet and show you how to do that in Tableau. I have a new sheet open. Let's start by building our line chart with date. I'm going to right click date, drop it on columns. I'm going to choose day of date. I'm going to grab sales, put it on rows to end with a line chart. Let's add a new calculation to test if the date is within the last 7 days. I create a calculated field. I'm going to call this last 7 days filter. The calculation is going to be referencing a function called today. Today generates today's date, and you can use it in a calculation. So let's first test if date is less than today. It's going to be a true or false, yes or no. So if I want it to be the last 7 days, I need it to be date is actually less than or equal to today. And I need to test if date is greater than or equal to last 7 days ago. So I'm going to type and date is greater than or equal to date add. I'm going to add days. I'm going to subtract 7. There is no date subtract, so I'd use date add. I'm going to type -7, and I'm going to reference date. I'm sorry, reference today. So is date greater than date add -7 days from today? Let's click apply, and okay. I'm going to grab my filter, put it on the filter shelf, and keep only true values. Now I have only the last 7 days. Hope that helps.